Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in the previous topic we have discussed about the physical properties of SO2, and out of which we have understood that is SO2 is basically acidic in nature. So why it is very much acidic, so this is what I am going to talk about in this topic. So friends, in this topic I'm going to talk about that is why SO2 is acidic in nature. So talking about the reaction, that is in the previous case also we have understood that is whenever the sulfur dioxide, that is SO2, it is reacted with water, and in fact obviously we understand that it is very much soluble in water. So that's the reason that whenever SO2 is dissolved in water, it forms that is H2SO3, which is known as sulfurous acid. And if we test it, that is by litmus paper test, suppose if we do a litmus test, then this solution, that is this H2SO3 solution, this will turn that is a blue litmus paper into red, so which proves that is SO2 is acidic in nature. So talking about the another reaction, that is whenever there is 2 moles of NaOH, so this is a base, I suppose if we are reacting it with SO2. So whenever 2 moles of NaOH is reacted with SO2, then the product that is what we could get is basically a salt and water. So basically water is the one that will be removed as a byproduct, and the main product that is what we could get over here is Na2SO3, which is known as sodium sulfite. So this kind of reaction is basically like an neutralization reaction where an acid is treated with a base so as to produce salt and water. So that proves that is SO2 is one which is acidic in nature. So not only this, suppose if we treat this Na2SO3, that is Na2SO3, with further SO2, then the product that is what we could get in presence of H2, and that would be that is 2 moles of NaHSO3, which is known as sodium bisulfite. So this is a reaction that is what we can observe whenever the carbon dioxide is treated with water so as to produce that is carbonic acid, that is H2CO3, which proves that SO2 is acidic in nature. So therefore this were the few reactions and few evidences which have shown that SO2 has an acidic nature. That's it. Thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you have understood this video very clearly, and I hope I will see you next time. Till then, don't forget to subscribe to Ekeeda channel. Thank you so much.